So we continue with our attempts in making the Tesla a real car and really good car. And like every Tesla owner knows, the reverse lights are so weak that they're practically useless. You cannot see anything when reversing except on the camera feed. So those lights, from pure looks, those reverse lights should fix this issue. They come with the full mounting hardware, and the only thing that you basically need to do in the Tesla, the hard part, is to find the wire in the harness for the reverse lights and then just connect them to the existing reverse light. The Tesla issue does not have any issue with that, so let's check the results now.